What's the best video editing software for Windows right now in 2020? Well, here's our roundup of the latest options, with our picks for the best video editors in every category. From the best free software to paid and professional options, with everything that you need to know. One. To help you decide which one is the best one for you, where we help you grow an audience and scale your revenue with online video. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything that we mentioned in this video. You can find linked in the description box below. So let's jump into it. Now video editing software updates so fast, so we do a roundup like this every 6 to 12 months. All of our research, and we retest a ton of options, and we eventually narrow the list down to our recommendations for the best. Overall lifetime license. All of the video editors coming up include premium tools and advanced features that will help you to make high quality videos, especially for those of you creating content for YouTube or working on any other post-production projects. Let's get started. Let me show you the best editing software that are great for beginners. Adobe Premiere Elements. While it's not as feature-packed as Adobe Premiere Pro, but it's a great place to start if you're a beginner looking for professional quality results. It includes a ton of cool features, including video and audio effects, bass detection, transitions, and soundtracks for your videos are also included. Their website offers dozens of excellent tutorials that will help you get started, along with step-by-step guides on like most of Adobe software. It's available as a one-time purchase of around $100, without any reoccurring costs, if you decide to upgrade to the newest version when it's released, which is not mandatory. There is an upgrade charge. If not, can keep using the version you paid for at no additional cost. Adobe Premiere Elements is available for Mac OS and Windows 8.1 or newer. Second video editor we recommend for beginners is Corel Video Studio Ultimate. It's not as beginner-oriented as Premiere Elements, but offers a well-designed interface that's more user-friendly than most video editing software. Some features include multicam editing, motion tracking, various transitions, and easy-to-use templates. It offers support for 4K Ultra HD 360-degree VR video and includes over 2,000 filters and effects. There are useful audio tools included, and you can also get access to a royalty-free music library. If you need help to use Video Studio, they offer a user guide, how-tos, and video tutorials on their site. Video Studio Ultimate is available for Windows 7 or newer, and it costs around $80. If you are a Mac owner, Apple Final Cut Pro X is the best choice for those people entrenched in the Apple ecosystem. Not only is it easy to use, it comes packed with a ton of features. Some of those features include multicam editing, HDR with advanced color grading, video noise reduction, and it includes the ability to work with third-party extensions to increase its functionality. There's also support for 360-degree video editing, and you can now edit videos up to an 8K resolution. Final Cut Pro is available from the Mac App Store for around $300. While many people love the non-traditional trackless timeline, some people hate it. If Final Cut doesn't float your boat, I'll show you more video editors for Mac later. In addition to Final Cut Pro, Apple does offer a free entry-level video editor called iMovie. The feature set is limited but might come in handy for those times you need to do a simple edit. When it comes to video editing software, Filmora is about as multifaceted as they come. Filmora is Wondershare's standard, simple, high-quality video editing offering, but Wondershare also offers Filmora Go for mobile editing, and Filmora SCRN for screen recording and editing. The design is intuitive and easy to use, and comes replete with filters, overlays, motion elements, transitions, and a small selection of royalty-free music. Here are a few more of the basics Filmora offers. Best video editing software for beginners. 4K. 4K and GIF support are boilerplate features for most video editing products today, but one thing Filmora does particularly well is titles. Title tools are trending in video software, and while Filmora's doesn't have the functionality of, say, an Apple Final Cut Pro X, which can superimpose 3D titles over your videos and rotate them on 3 axes, it nonetheless has some snazzy titling features for the money you're spending. Another Filmora feature beginners to video editing will find attractive is Easy Mode, which allows you to create fun, polished edits by merely dragging and dropping clips, choosing a theme, and selecting music. Standout features: title tool, mobile and screen editing, easy mode. Pricing starts at $59.99 for a lifetime license, or $39.99 for a year. If creating amazing special effects for your projects is a #1 priority for you, HitFilm Pro, what you need, it's a nonlinear editor with a high-power visual effects creator built into the program in addition to the more than 800 effects. There are tools for audio editing, color grading, and animations you need to hit. HitFilm Pro in this video is that it supports custom 3D models along with the custom lighting and shadows. HitFilm Pro supports resolutions up to 8K and is available for Windows 8 or newer and Mac OS. Its cost is $349. It can be run on 3 computers at the same time, and it includes 12 months of software updates and technical support. At HitFilm Pro's too pricey for you and you're on a budget. They also offer a free video editing program called HitFilm Express with plenty of features that you might want to check out if you're looking for the best overall value. Are you a content or social media marketer looking to get in the video editing game for the sake of keeping up with the growing video trend? Don't stress. Any of the software apps would make a fine choice for a beginner. Think about your budget, your current level of expertise, and how much time you're willing to devote to learning a new skill. Whether you're looking for the best video editing software for YouTube, or the responsibility has simply fallen on you to get your team's video marketing strategy up to snuff, don't wait around deliberating. Get invested in one of these video editing products, and make it yours. Thanks for the watching.